This video is just a part of hundreds of videos that I have in my art classes, which you can find on portraitartacademy.com. Click in the link below for more information. I'm gonna do the right ear. Here's the left ear, if you reverse it. But anyway, let's see, let's make sure that this is all correct. That it's nice and dark. There's a little bit of a highlight here. And then also underneath the jaw or the neck, it's very dark. So we're just gonna press hard with a dark pencil and create some nice contrast. Right there. Like it's just black here. It's just all dark. So we can just color it in. But here you can see it's a little lighter. So let's make sure we define that area. Maybe a little counter light that reflected against his jaw, which is amazing. It's looking like a good portrait here. Okay, this is a little hard to see because of the background in the image, but I think we got it defined pretty well right here. So this is all very dark, but it's not as dark as this, as the hair. So first we're gonna block in these areas. Here's where it kind of disappears. It's all very, very dark over there. Keep using that word, of course, because you know that's what it is. A bit like this. And then block in this area for the ear. And yeah, I would say yeah, well, the black area right there, just use a thick. This is the same dark as that dark, so we're just gonna do that. And then this as well. Here, I think it becomes a little lighter to its side, so we'll do that. And then here, I'll just use an HB pencil for the rest of it. This kind of needs to come together. This needs to kind of go there, like it almost touches it, kind of. And then here is the earlobe. That's what it's called. Here it's really dark. Here it is like his dip. And then the rest of it can just be... See, I want to draw a line there, but there's no line, but there is a kind of a thick shadow. So here it's a little darker than there. Let's define this area, but a little better too. And let's get this HB pencil out. Let's color it all gray. Let's smudge it a bit so it becomes smooth. Here a bit more. There. And here and there and everywhere. You get the point. It's starting to look good here. Almost done. Yeah, this maybe goes a bit more there. And this is also a little darker, but not as dark as that. So it's just, yeah, it's always comparing something to something. Okay, now we're done. And so now that I look at this, I'm like, yeah, there's just some gray in here too. Maybe even emphasize this a bit more. But other than that, okay, now there's a few more things that we need to do here. The one thing is all these little dots, especially in the forehead, right there, there, and a little bit in here, as much as we can, and then the chin. So that's one thing. The other thing is what I'm doing right now. This neck area actually doesn't have as many dots because I think the pores are less visible. It's a lot smoother. think the neck area is softer, and also the way it's shaped right here. So there's kind of a shadow right there. So we'll define that a bit more. And then just kind of want to make this whole area light. So we'll do that in the next video. We'll do the neck. And then we'll do this part of the neck. And then we'll start adding all these little dots, which is, yeah, I gotta admit, that's the most boring part.